अब डे 5 में टुडे in fact we have to cover this, we will cover this topic in the class also. We have a discussion on PWDs. Now let's see the question. Now the question is saying reservation for person with disabilities is essential for creating an inclusive society, but its implementation faces significant challenges. Critically examine the provisions of reservation for PWDs in India. Very broad thing. Now you have to discuss the provisions that is there with respect to PWs in India. Analyze the challenges in ensuring their effective implementation. Now here you have to answer two dimensions. One is the provision part and second is the challenges part. Is it okay? These are the two things that you need to answer it. There is no way forward. There is no futuristic thing what steps can be taken by the government in ensuring in ensuring the participation of PWDs in the Indian society. Something like that has not been asked here. You just need to answer these two things, the provisions that is there. When I talk about these provisions, that we will discuss when we will discuss the article. These provisions can be from, do you know anything that is constitutional in nature, or do you know anything that is statutory in nature? A question like this, it gives us an idea that whenever we are going to prepare any topic, let's say women, let's say urbanization, let's say PWD, let's say transgender, we also have to take care of the if there is any act or not, or the second thing is, do we have any constitutional provision with respect to those persons or not? Ye point clear hua? This is how for every topic I need to have this. Okay. अब यहां पे देखो, let's discuss the article now. Now the article is saying here, now this was the recent controversy around the Pooja Khetkar, which you already know, that how she fabricated her disability and the caste certificates to get the benefit under reservation. People also say that she has already exhausted her attempts, but now using these certificates as a tool, she kept on attempting year after year after year. Okay. Now this particular thing is also going to talk about the issues of reservation that is there. Now you need to understand one thing, that it is, if you have you seen this movie called Shrikant Bhola? Any one of you? One. You will be able to relate it. So tomorrow is Sunday. In case you have time left, you please go and watch this movie. You will be able to understand that when you talk about person with disability, you cannot talk about these people in isolation. These people face severely challenges like, now you imagine that tum log class mein aa gaye, you guys came in the class. Now it's very easy for you to climb up 1 floor, 2 floor, 3 floor. Now imagine there is a person with disability. He will be having a very difficult time to come and sit in the class like you. You do not have this privilege also. Now you may say, sir, lift is there. But now you imagine in how many buildings do you have this lift facility? So there is actually a no level playing field for these people. They have a lot of struggle in just competing with the general public. मतलब classroom में आना, you forget about the competitive exams and all. That is a secondary thing. The primary thing is coming here. Now you imagine they also need some people who will write the exam for them. That is also there. अब तुम चलो ठीक है. Now imagine that this individual is partially blind and he wanted to prepare for UPC civil services. It's very prestigious. But the idea here is he won't be able to do so because of the lack of resources. Because for blind, you have to have that Braille script. You have to have this Braille script. अब तुम सोचो, you guys have this privilege whereby you will open a book, start to read, prepare, solve question, that's it. But now if such people needs to prepare, every text, every resource has to get converted into a Braille script, without which they won't be able to understand the syllabus, they won't be able to prepare also. You forget about clearing the exam. So partially they will never be able to do so. So that is the kind of struggle that these people will have. So must watch movie to understand this particular topic and to understand the challenges that these people have. Okay, so now we will discuss this, what is there. Now we will discuss who are these persons of disabilities in India and what are the provisions of reservation for the person with disabilities. Now, whenever we talk about reservation, whenever we talk about vulnerable section, we will talk about depressed classes. One thing that will come into picture is your reservation. Because it is easy for the government to give reservation without doing anything. It is easy for the government to give reservation without doing anything. Now you imagine that to make it actually inclusive means that government really want PWDs to participate and prepare for UPSC Civil Services examination. Now for that to happen, a building code has to be there, which will tell that, okay, all the buildings should have such facilities whereby a blind, or you say the person with actually disabled who is not able to, who do not have who do not have feet also, can come and sit in the class. To implement such provisions whereby these people will come and actually attend the classes becomes very, very difficult. So in order whereby I will ask institutional arrangements to happen for these people, it's very easy for me to give reservation. भाई तुम reservation ले लो और तुम अपना देख लो. Next यहाँ पे देखोगे what are the persons. So basically in this particular act we will define who are these persons with disabilities. A person with disabilities are the ones who have long-term physical, mental, intellectual, sensory impairment which hinder their full and effective participation in society and on equal basis. Even though they are individuals, but because of such things, they will not be able to participate fully. They will lack in various other things. Next यहाँ पे देखो, अब यहाँ पे if you try to understand the Rights of Disabilities Act of 2016, it means that PWDs, the first thing that you need to think also, that this particular right is not there in the Constitution. This particular right, it is what kind of a right? It is your legal right, or you will call it what? Statutory right. Clear ho gaya? Now a statement can come. PWDs have been defined in the Indian Constitution. अब तुम्हें लगेगा इतना बड़ा Constitution तो है, कहीं ना कहीं तो होगा. I may don't know. The answer is no, it is not defined there. It is defined in the Act. Next यहाँ पे देखो. Next यहाँ पे what are the? So first we will define the disability. ठीक है. Second thing is reservation. Reservation में what happened was magnitude of reservation was increased. 3% से लेके क्या कर दिया 4% तक it got increased. कहाँ पे? In government jobs. And 3 to 5% में it increased to where? Higher educational institution. It means what IITs, IIMs में you still have reservation for PWDs. ठीक है. अब now lot of Supreme Court judgments will come into picture whereby they will. अब यहाँ पे जो we saw that the reservation is just restricted to government jobs and educational institutes. Now Supreme Court will come and say that no, it is not only restricted to employment, rather it is restricted, rather it should be for promotions also. अब इसके लिए you need to understand what? Article 16(1) equality of opportunity. Article 16(2) is going to talk about there will be no discrimination. Then similarly, if you see Article 16(4), it is going to talk about, keep this thing in mind, it is going to talk about reservation in appointments. ये appointments के बारे में बात करेगा. Whenever you talk about 16(4)(a), ये बात करेगा reservation in promotion and consequential seniority, which we had discussed. ये basic चीजें तुम्हें ध्यान में रखनी पड़ेगी. So whenever you have such things, it is going to target what? The fundamental rights. Okay. अच्छा, next यहाँ पे देखो. अब इंदिरा सानी judgment में you already know that she will come and she will put a capping. She will also uphold the 27% reservation and she will put up a ceiling of 50%. 50% we understand, SC, ST, OBC for the reserved category. अब यहाँ पे we had also discussed the horizontal and the vertical. Vertical में you have SC, ST, OBC and EWS. Horizontal में within SC also you will start to give reservation to whom? To PWDs or to women. तो जो भी depressed classes होंगे हम उनको हॉरिजॉन्टल रिजर्वेशन देंगे, सिंपल। अब यहाँ पे वही सेम चीज है कि सेपरेट कोटा लेकर आएंगे, सेपरेट रिजर्वेशन देंगे। नाउ over a period of time you will see different Supreme Court judgments will come, and these Supreme Court judgments will actually talk about certain extra rights. कैसे होना चाहिए, they should be given extra time, they should be have a different accommodation system, they should be access to scribe, all these things they are going to talk about. अब ये सारी चीजें you may not able to remember, so हम उतने उसमें डिटेल में जाएंगे नहीं, so we just need to see 1992 और उसके बाद since it is new विकास कुमार versus Union Public Service Commission. Now what Supreme Court said was, in this Supreme Court said that the government should provide reasonable accommodation for PWDs. अब एग्जाम्पल पेपर दिया उन्होंने, now they should not be treated with each and everyone just because they are person with disability, they should be given some extra time so that they can complete their paper and compete with the general public. So basically, if you try to understand this extra time and these necessary facilities, it is actually promoting the principle of equality and non-discrimination. Because I had told you, equality, Article 14 mein equality before law means what? That everyone will be treated equally. But the situation here or the condition here is not same. Since the condition is not same, therefore, you will not be treated equally. You will be given certain special treatment. इसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट आके विल कम इनटू पिक्चर. तो दिस इज अ रीसेंट केस. तो 2013 को जस्ट एक बार पढ़ लेना, व्हाट इज देयर एंड व्हाट इज नॉट देयर. बट सिंस दिस इज न्यू, तो यू नीड टू कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड. ठीक है. अब व्हाट आर द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ रिजर्वेशन. अब इसमें तुम देखोगे वही सेम चीज है, वही सेम चीज है विच यू ऑलरेडी नो. आई सपोज दैट दीज पॉइंट्स यू ऑलरेडी नो. सबसे पहले सिग्निफिकेंस इज इट इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड. ठीक है, दैट इज ट्रू. Because now these people do not have access to lot of opportunities, plus they are restricted by institutional barriers. Institutional barriers ka matlab, I told you that they may not be able to participate and come in the class. Similarly, very difficult for them to metro mein chadna mein also difficult. That is why tum dekhoge yaar metro mein there will be there will be constant announcement that kripya viklango ko jagah de. अब this particular thing is just a guideline, it is not enforced, it is not reserved. अब वुमेन के लिए you will see reservation की जो मेट्रो का जो पहला डिब्बा है, it is reserved for women, but there is no such reservation for PWDs. अब अगर वो you imagine that these people वो चले गए राजीव चौक में, it is hell lot crowded. Now there they will not get any special treatment. They will struggle to in fact get into the metro also, and while coming outside they will struggle. So it means what? The implementation has not been at the ground. Ground reality से बहुत दूर है. But on paper, you will see that a lot of big words have been used. Level playing field. They should be provided with equal opportunities. Next, low employment rate for person with disability. One of the reasons that they are not empowered is because of opportunity. And since there is very less opportunity, so you will also see that they are not employed also. If they are not employed, they will not have money. And because they don't have money, their dependency on the parents, on other people will increase. Next, structural issues of discrimination. जैसे कि stigma and biases. अब तुम देखोगे, we usually use it in a slang. वो लंगड़ा है, वो अंधा है, वो गूंगा है. So these words actually disrespects these persons. Lack of reasonable accommodation at the workplace. The education system, exam curricula and formats have been designed to be used and suit able-bodied individuals but not different or not person with disability. अब ये जो श्रीकांत वाली मूवी में all these points you will actually be able to visualize it, because now the story will tell that he was a bright student because he got a very good teacher, but after 10th he wanted to take up science, but he will struggle to take up science. Why? Because now there was no such provision whereby person with disability will take science. Now he went and filed a case against the government of India. Now he challenged these rules and regulations. By the time, although he won this, but again the question that was in front of the court was, even if we allow you, how will you compete? Because now the NCRTs are not being in the form of Barale script. तो अगर तुम्हें allow कर भी दिया, how will you compete with this? But again, with the help of the teacher, he was able to qualify. नाउ एक तो चैलेंज हो गया व्हेन ही जस्ट क्लियर्ड हिज क्लास 10th, साइंस पढ़ना वाज डिफिकल्ट. दैट इज व्हाई दिस फिगर इज वेरी वेरी इंस्पायरिंग इन नेचर. Because you imagine तुम्हारे लिए it was very easy that after 10th you will go for science, you will go for commerce, and these kind of people do not have this opportunity also. After 12th he faced the same thing. Going to IITs was a challenge because now he cannot appear for the exam, because again to prepare for this exam resources were very very limited. In fact, so finally he somehow he got the scholarship, went to US, and movie में ऐसा दिखाया गया in his first class itself, when the faculty already knew that there is a person with disability, he gave him a book which was there in what? Braille script. अब वो अपनी पूरी पढ़ाई जो है वो ब्राले स्क्रिप्ट के द्वारा कर सकता है. प्लस द इंस्टीट्यूशनल थिंग्स दैट इज देयर, बी इट सीडीज एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, इट वाज कंड्यूसिव फॉर दीज पीपल टू एबल टू कम एंड पार्टिसिपेट. Otherwise, before entering into classes, before stepping out of the houses, the infrastructure will kill them. तुमने देखा होगा रास्तों में भी अभी, if you go this also, you will see blind people ऐसे डंडा लेके इधर उधर, nobody gives a damn to them. Plus, at the end of the day, if they are not employed, they will end up begging. पैसे दे दो, भगवान के नाम पे पैसे दे दो, अल्लाह के नाम पे पैसे दे दो, and this thing will continue. Next यहाँ पे देखो, challenging the notion of ableism. अब this is also one of the reason that because of their disability they are not treated well, or people started to treat them in a very emotional manner. बोलते हैं ना उसको, what is this word called? तरस की नजरों से देखना. So they do not want that treatment also. They want, just like I am treating you as being normal, they should also be treated as being normal. Next, career progression. अब तुम यहाँ पे सोचो, this is one of the way through which they can advance into a job position. क्योंकि private में they may not be hired because of the barriers that is there. On the other hand, government में they can go, and government में why they can go? Because they have reservation facilities. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे वही है, the same thing, right of person. So over a period of time you will also realize that these basic things है. मतलब तुम सोचो ये कि that you being someone who is general, you will not think of these things, and that is why various Supreme Court judgments will come and they will talk about these rights. इनको एक्स्ट्रा टाइम दे दो, इनके लिए ये फैसिलिटीज क्रिएट कर दो, इनको मेरिट के ऊपर भी जज करो, इनके लिए कुछ जॉब रिजर्वेशन दे दो, इनको प्रमोशन में भी जो है कुछ वो दे दो. These are the basic things which people actually need. Only then they will be able to compete with the general public. अब what are the challenges? अब सबसे बड़ी बात है तुम्हारी challenges में. Challenges में क्या है? Significant flaws in India certification system for disability. अब ये जो disability है, अब till now it is 21 diseases को जो है उसको ही जो है we have considered under disability. So it means that if it is not defined, even if that individual is person with disability, he will not get the benefit under PWD. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि the disability के अंदर the diseases that the government has mentioned, it has to increase to lot of it, let's say 40 diseases. So that is how, so do you understand what I'm trying to say? It means that if the definition of the disabilities is restricted to 21 diseases only, if any person is facing any other thing beyond this 21, he will not get the benefit of reservation. Next यहाँ पे देखो structural challenges में क्या क्या है? Lack of specialist, then disability certification process is inaccessible, plus it is time consuming also. And the problem is with infrastructure also, resources also. Next यहाँ पे देखोगे outdated system for psychosocial disabilities. Psychosocial में mental disorder, bipolar disorder, this is also some kind of a disability. मैं जाके बोलूं कि I am facing mental disorder. But now, do you have anything, do you have infrastructure of that kind whereby you will go inside me and tell me, yes, this individual is having bipolar disorders, or he is suffering from mental disorder. अभी depression तो ऐसी चीज है, तुम कभी भी बोल दो कि I'm facing depression. So they do not have that kind of resource infrastructure whereby they will actually certify it. अब वहां पे फिर क्या होगा? ये ले लो. Clear हो गया? This is what happened in case of partial blindness. blindness तो समझ में आता है, partial blindness. अब ये partial blindness कितना 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%. अगेन ये जो क्राइटेरियाज हैं, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम इन दिस. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे देखो, unconscious albism bias. Ira single case में this thing happened. He gave the exam, cleared it, fight with the commission, and finally she got the offer letter from the commission. There was a struggle because now people have this bias. Yeah, these person with disability may not be able to compete with the general public. ये response, अब जितना भी ज़्यादा merit हो, this is again been shown in this movie which I'm talking about. No matter he was able to train the person with disability with IT skills, but still people had this stigma whereby no matter what, these people were not getting any jobs, though they were meritorious. Because now people with their preconceived notion may not rely on them. उनको लगेगा ये काम नहीं कर पाएगा. Next, what should be the way forward? Way forward में again the basic things you need to write. बहुत ज्यादा टेक्निकलिटीज नहीं है. तुम बोलोगे कि द असेसमेंट क्राइटेरिया फॉर डिसेबिलिटी शुड चेंज. नेक्स्ट यू विल सी द स्ट्रक्चरल लिमिटेशन दैट इज देयर, इट नीड्स टू बी एड्रेस्ड. Next, new model of assessment should be there so that the older model through which you were able to access it, it should be removed. Then you don't have to just make the model. You have to regularly review also. Plus, after making it, you also need to monitor it. अगर over a period of time you will see that this particular PWD Act जो आया था, right to person with disabilities को जो right देगा, it is not a one time thing. Over a period of time, the rights will be challenged. It will go to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court will come up with decisions. So these rights over a period of time will also evolve. One of the reasons why this horizontal reservation was given, yesterday I had discussed this, because now if these people are not in the policy making, so I as an individual may not think from their perspective. मैं सोचूंगा ही नहीं. जब मैं सोचूंगा ही नहीं, I will not be empathetic towards them. I may not include them in the policy making. मैं policy सबके लिए बना रहा हूं, but I am not able to make policy for them. But you imagine through reservation, if that individual is with me, so he know the problem that such people are facing. So my policy will be more inclusive in nature, whereby it is going to target these peoples, and these people will able to participate just like normal people. But since the overall structure, overall scenario is India में people will struggle. Because India में it is not that developed. अब ये सारी चीजें you understand it like this, कि तुम्हारे घर में तुम पेंटिंग्स के ऊपर, तुम घर सजाने के जो आइटम्स होते हैं, तुम तभी खर्चा करोगे when your basic needs are met. तुम किसी भी गरीब के घर में जाके नहीं देखोगे he will talk about कि चलो घर खरीदने का सामान खरीदते हैं. No, because now he is struggling with basic food, he is struggling with basic education. So unless and until this gets completed, they may not think of these things. So India is already having a lot of issues. So lot of issues they may not, maybe 2047, maybe 2060, maybe 2080, people from this category, they may start to enjoy more rights. But until then, they may struggle in it. Okay, चलें आगे. ये वाला इसको I'll share the PDF after the class gets over. तो एक बार पढ़ लेना.